Hey everyone, Alec here with Veed, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add multiple audio tracks to a video. So let's say you have a video and you want to add some audio to it, but you don't want to simply just add some background music. For an example, let's say you have a podcast snippet that you want to share to your Instagram, and on this clip, as well as you talking, you want to add some background music, you want to add some sound effects and some clicks and pops here and there. Well, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using an online video editor called Veed. And with that being said, let's get started. So the link to Veed is going to be in the description down below. So once you're on Veed, the first step is to click the new project button in the top right, and then here we're taken into Veed's video editor, and then we want to click on upload the files, and this is where we're going to select the video that we want to add multiple audio tracks to. So here, as you can see, I have this podcast video snippet, and if I click on open, as you can see, it's now imported into Veed, and if I click play,
hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to the social media podcast.
as you can see, we have my social media podcast snippet. And now to add multiple audio tracks to our video, it's very simple. All we have to do is click on the upload tab, and then here we have the option to upload some media, and we're just going to select upload audio. So let's say I want to add some background music to this video. All I have to do is click on upload audio. Again, I'm going to browse through my documents, and here I'm just going to select background audio that I want. So let's say I'm going to choose this one right here, and I click open. As you can see, it's now imported, and I'm just going to click and drag it back to the beginning, trim off the end so it's the same length as my video just by clicking and dragging on the end of the audio clip. And now I'm going to click on fit to screen, and then if I click play from the beginning.
Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to the social media podcast. I'm your host, Alec.
So as you can see, this sounds like some news anchor background sound. Now, if you think it's a bit too loud, what you can do is just select the audio track and then just go up into the audio settings, and here we can just turn down the volume. So now, as you can see, if I turn it down to 10%, and if I click play,
And in this podcast, we're going to be talking about everything.
we can't really hear it much, so I'm going to leave it at 100%. Now, if you want to add another audio track, again, we're just going to click on upload, back to upload audio, and this time let's just say I want to add some sound effects. So it could be, I'm just going to add this fantasy sound. This can be the intro sound. If I click open, as you can see, again, it's now imported into Veed. So if I bring this back to the beginning, now if I click play,
Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to the social media podcast.
as you can see, I have multiple audio tracks. Now, obviously, you can adjust these and move these around to your liking. So for example, if I don't want the audio to start until halfway through into my video, I can just click and drag it to adjust it, just like so. And then I'm going to put the intro sound right at the beginning. So now if I click play,
Hey everyone, I hope you're
okay, I need to click and drag it to adjust it a bit more.
Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to the social media podcast.
And then you can just adjust it to your liking.
Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to the social media podcast. I'm your host, Alec, and in this podcast, we're going to be talking about everything and anything related to social
And
media.
there you go. Now, if you want to add even more audio, again, just click on the upload audio. And here, once again, we can just select another audio track. So let's say I want this typewriter noise in the background. If I click open, again, it's imported. As we can see, we now have 3 separate audio tracks. And again, I can click and drag to adjust them. I'm just going to click on fit to screen, and then I'm also going to adjust the audio. So I'll make this one 50%. And then if I click play from the beginning,
Doing great. Welcome to the social media podcast.
as you can see, we now have 3 separate audio tracks, and I can adjust the time for each and every one. I can adjust the volume for each and every one. And then once I'm happy with my video and it's multiple audio tracks, all I have to do is click on export in the top right. Veed then starts to render my video, and then once it's finished rendering with its multiple new audio tracks, I can then go ahead and download it to my computer. And that is how to add multiple audio tracks to a video online using Veed. If you have any questions about adding multiple audio tracks to a video, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. Thanks for watching.